Okay, we are over here at 1429 Roxbury Drive. So on the corner lot, got this nice A-frame kind of tucked in the trees right here. And if you notice, you can get some good ski slope views as well. So you've got a garage down here, plenty of parking up on the side as well. The parking is about one very large sized car. Look at the exterior too. The roof is in pretty good shape. Nice solid decking. And what I love about it is that they kept the natural color of it. A lot of people paint their decks up here and they chip a lot. So this, since the seller bought it, was added on this little private hot tub area. About a 6 to 8 person hot tub. And you are really, really tucked away from all of your neighbors up here. Except for that one with the hammer right now. So, I have my own ideas about this room. This is a living room, kind of like our second living room. They use it as a dining room, just like an extra space. However, if you moved the current front door over to be that door, you could use this as a third bedroom and what would be a master, because it does have an attached bathroom with a laundry. It's got that nice, just white tile, kind of vintage. The house is currently marketed as a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and 1,200 square foot. Got that beautiful knotty pine ceiling. So he was using this as a vacation rental and doing pretty well. And he has currently shut it down so that he can sell it. Nice wood fireplace. And here would be that front door that I mentioned, that you could, if you wanted people to come in through this way instead, if you want to make that a bedroom. Nice open living room area. And then it opens up into that second bedroom. Some really pretty countertops too, with some glitter in it. We'll go downstairs in the bedroom. Again, the same countertops. And to really just, a couple turns to get to Bear Mountain from here. So go up to the loft. This is where you get more of that beautiful cabin A-frame feature that a lot of people are looking for. You can sleep 4 people upstairs. And very close to the hiking trails as well from here. A little secret area up here as well. So this one, again, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,200 square foot, garage, maybe a 2-car garage, 2 small car, 1 big car, and just reduced to $625,000.